In this video, I'll be showing you that how you can easily turn off or turn on comments on your Instagram Reels. Make sure to watch the video till end. So first of all, open up Instagram app on your phone and then tap on that profile icon on the bottom right corner to head over to your profile, and then tap on those three lines to head over to the settings of your Instagram account. Once you're in the settings, you would have to scroll down all the way until you find an option of comments. You will have to tap on it. Now you would have to tap on posts and reels. Now by default it would be selected to everyone, but in our case we want to turn off comments, so we would tap on off. You can also select other options like people you follow if you want, or your followers, or people you follow and your followers, but we would select off because we want to turn the comments completely off. Now once you have done this, anybody will not be able to comment on your reels that you post on Instagram. If this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Like the video and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.